Welcome to the Christmas edition of Would You Rather. 30 fun and festive questions await. Pick your favorites and share in the comments. Let's get started. Winter vibes or beach vibes? Would you rather have snow on Christmas Day or a sunny Christmas? Simple or stylish? Would you rather receive gifts wrapped in plain paper or in fancy gift bags? Bright and shiny or tall and majestic? Would you rather decorate your house with Christmas lights or a giant Christmas tree? Jolly or spooky? Would you rather be visited by Santa Claus or the Christmas ghost? Tell us your favorite choices in the comments below. Let's see who agrees with you. Songs or stories? Would you rather only listen to Christmas music or only watch Christmas movies for a month? Family love or celebrity glam? Would you rather eat Christmas dinner with your family or your favorite celebrity? Snuggly or sunny? Would you rather spend Christmas in a cozy cabin or a tropical beach house? Sweet or savory? Would you rather have Christmas dinner with gingerbread or roast turkey? Snowy or sunny? Would you rather have a white Christmas indoors or a green Christmas outdoors? Early surprise or classic tradition? Would you rather open all your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Funny or comfy? Would you rather wear an ugly Christmas sweater or pajamas all day? We would love to know. What would you choose? Drop your answers below. Tasty treats or creative crafting? Would you rather make Christmas cookies or build a gingerbread house? Magical animals or cheerful helpers? Would you rather meet Santa's reindeer or his elves? Comedy or classic? Would you rather watch Home Alone or The Grinch? Generous or grateful? Would you rather give gifts or receive gifts? Let's spread some Christmas cheer. Like this video and share the joy. Chocolatey or creamy? Would you rather drink hot chocolate or eggnog on Christmas Eve? Lux or lots? Would you rather get one expensive gift or 10 thoughtful ones? Natural or reusable? Would you rather have a real Christmas tree or an artificial one? Festive or intimate? Would you rather spend Christmas with a big group of friends or just close family? Sweet or richer? Would you rather eat Christmas cake or Christmas pudding? Stay in the holiday spirit. Subscribe to our channel for festive fun. Would you rather live in a Christmas-themed village year-round or only celebrate Christmas for one day? Sleek or unique? Would you rather have Santa's sleigh or Rudolph as your personal ride? Cozy or quirky? Would you rather receive socks or a fruitcake for Christmas? Budget friendly or minimalistic? Would you rather wrap all your gifts in newspaper or not wrap them at all? Would you rather light up your house like Clark Griswold or have no decorations at all? Tell us your favorite choices in the comments below. Let's see who agrees with you. Creative or adventurous, would you rather be an elf in Santa's workshop or a reindeer pulling the sleigh? Festive forever or hat free, would you rather wear a Santa hat all year or never wear one at all? If this choice made you smile, give it a big thumbs up. Chilly or cheerful, would you rather have Christmas dinner in the North Pole or Santa's workshop? Minty or chocolatey, would you rather have a giant candy cane or a chocolate Santa? We would love to know, what would you choose? Drop your answers below. Always glowing or never glowing, would you rather have Christmas lights that never turn off or ones that never turn on? And that's a wrap on our 30 Christmas Would You Rather questions. What were your favorite picks? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas.